Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, look here, guys. Now, um, so today we are going to start up with project or framework. We are going to start up with project or we are going to start up with a framework. Okay. We are going to start up with what? Project or framework. Okay. So guys, this is a very, very important. So what is this project? What is this framework? What is this? And let us go on to understand everything in detail. Look at this. So why we use automation first of all? Why we are going with automation? For the reusability of the code. For the reusability of the code to avoid the repetition. To avoid the repetition, for the reusability of the code, we make use of framework or project. Yes or no? That's the reason we go with automation. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For the reusability of the code to avoid the repetition, we go with the framework or project. We go with the framework or project. For why? For the reusability of the code to avoid repetition, we go with the concept called framework or project. Now, okay, we are going to go with a concept called as Maven project. So why we go with Maven project? Now you can ask me, see, first of all, to avoid this reusability of the code, to do this reusability of the code, to avoid the repetition of the code, we go with a concept called as what? Framework or the project. Are you understanding? So whatever you have studied from the day one till today, we are going to write it in the organized fashion, to write the code in the reusability fashion. Are you understanding?
Yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
That is only
Yes.
nothing but framework. So whatever you studied from the day one, whatever you guys have studied from day one till today, we are going to write the program in an organized fashion. To write the program in an organized fashion, we go with a concept called as project or the framework. The reusability to avoid the repetition of the code. Now, from the day one, okay, we started using Java project. From the day one, we started using Java project, correct, right? But Java project has lot of drawbacks. Let's discuss one by one. First drawback. Your Selenium, if you look at your Selenium server, when we started your batch, the Selenium version was 3.1.49. Yes or no? When I started your batch, it was 3.141.59. But now the latest version is 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, right? When I started with your batch, it was 3.141.10. Now it is 4. Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This version keeps changing. This version keeps changing. Now it is 3.4. Now it is 4. Tomorrow it can be changed to something else. Okay. Tomorrow it is going to change at 5. Now, whenever the version get changes, will you download? Okay. Will you go to the Selenium server? Will you download? Will you add it to the build path?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Will you download? Will you add it to the will you download? Will you add it to the build path? Okay, you did it. Because after it takes 5 minutes, you did it. Now the version from 5 to it has updated to 6. Will you again download and will you add it to the build path? Don't you think it is a manual process? Every time whenever the version changes, you should first of all you should go keep updating yourself. You should go to the website, you should go look what is the version, then you have to check whether it is stable, then you should download it, add it to the build path, download, add it. Don't you feel it is a manual process?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
correct, right? That's next one. Okay, Selenium server, now one jar file. Okay, I will do it. No problem. It will take hardly 5 minutes. I will do it. No problem. What about your Apache POI? Apache PY, nearly what? 20 jar files are there. Nearly 20 jar files are there. Whenever version get updated, will you download 20 jar files and add it to the build path again?
No, ma'am.
Is it easy?
No, ma'am.
One jar, okay. 20 jar files, and
No, ma'am.
many of you are getting error in your this thing. Why? Because you have missed some of the jar files. Or some people, if you look at yesterday, somebody was asking, ma'am, I'm getting error in Excel because I have added 20. For you, it is showing something 25, 30. It is varying. Correct, right? Lot of issues. One jar file, okay. 20, 25 jar files, whenever up version get, it is not easy. It is not easy. Yes or no? And it is a manual process.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, right?
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Manual process. Not automation. It is a manual. Guys, it is not this one. It is a manual process. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. One more drawback is there. Your browser keeps updating automatically. Your browser updates automatically. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct,
ma'am.
right? Whenever your browser updates, will you go download your driver executables? Will you add your driver executable? Don't you feel this is also a manual process? Whenever your browser updates, you have to go download the version which is matching to your browser. Yes or no? Don't you think this is also a manual process?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Correct?
ma'am.
Correct? Next, one more thing. Now, everybody in my class, almost all 102, 150 students are doing same thing. Whatever I'm teaching from the day one, you guys also are doing the same thing. Correct, right? But tell me, is your project structure and my project structure, is it the same? Are we all given the same project name, same package name, same class names? Everyone's the same?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
100%.
Different.
You have given your own class names, your own methods, your own everything. It's different. Everybody are learning one, but see how many varieties are there. And tell me, is our project structure is different? Your project is different. So that means there is no what? What is that? There is no unity. Correct, right? Now we are all working for one project. Can I write in different template and you guys will write in different templates?
No, ma'am.
No, we all should be new one, right? We all should be one. Now, any new test engineer join to my company, any new test engineer. Now I need to sit with him. I want to sit with him. I need to tell him what are the softwares I need to install, which version I need to install. Everything I need to sit with him. I need to help him out. Don't you think it consumes my time helping him? Because it's new to the company, new to the project. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are all your drawbacks of your Java project. What are this? These are all your drawbacks of your what? Java project. Understood what are your drawbacks of Java project?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood what are the drawbacks of your Java project?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In order
ma'am.
to overcome all this drawback, they came up with a solution called as Maven project. In order to overcome all your drawbacks of your Java project. Understood why we are studying Maven project?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are we studying Maven project? We can overcome all this drawback because automation means what? We need to save time. I cannot sit and do this manual process. I need to save this. Okay. Let us all create a project structure. Okay. So today's class, we just create a project structure. Okay. Project structure will create and we will just specify the softwares required. Okay. First, let us create a project structure. Make a heading you write framework. So theory about a framework, I'll give it to you later. Okay, what is framework? All these things, theory, I'll give it to you later. First, you just make a heading framework. Let's create a structure today. Guys, how was the interview? People who attended drive, how was the interview?
Good, ma'am.
Very good, ma'am.
Very good. Wow, nice.
Good, ma'am.
Let's see the results. Your results will be out by 7 o'clock. I will share you by 7 o'clock. Okay. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. We'll see. Okay. Everybody make a note. Framework you write. Everybody write a framework.
Ma'am, within this evening, like today 7, by 7.
Yes, yes. Today only you will get.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Today you will get. Okay. After I finish the class, I have a meeting. After that, I will share it. By 7:30, I'll share it to you. Okay. By end of today's class, I'll share it to you. Okay. Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Come back. Come back. Come back. Step number one. Step number one. Steps to create the project. You write a heading framework. In that you make a note. Steps to create the project structure. Steps to create the project structure. Steps to create the project structure. Step number one. Open Eclipse. Look at my screen. Observe carefully. Make a note in your book. I'll give you time to do. Observe carefully, make a note in your book. Heading you write project structure. Steps to create the project structure. Steps to create the project structure. Step number one, click on file. 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 New. New. Step number one, click on file. New. Click on project. Click on project. Click on project. Expand the Maven folder. Expand the Maven folder. Expand the Maven folder. Click on Maven project. Click on Maven project. Click on, look at my screen, please make a note. Don't try to do parallelly, you will miss out the steps. Click on Maven project. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Select this checkbox. Create a simple project. Select the checkbox. Create a simple project. Select the checkbox. Create a simple project. Click on next. Click on next. Make a note. Group ID indicates. Group ID indicates the organization name. The group ID indicates the organization name. The group ID indicates the organization name. The group ID indicates the organization name. Means which organization you are working, you should specify the organization name. Just specify whichever company you want, whichever company you want, it's just organization name. Specify the organization name. Next, artifact ID indicates. Artifact ID indicates the project name. The artifact ID indicates the project name. Artifact ID indicates the project name. E-commerce.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ninada here. Just I finished with the interview. How can I go with this?
Huh?
Ma'am, I just finished the interview and now I joined the class, ma'am.
Just follow from now. I'll
Okay,
repeat it again. Follow. Okay.
Okay.
Click on
Yeah.
specify the artifact ID. Specify the group ID, specify the artifact ID. Artifact ID means project name. Group ID means it's a company name. Artifact ID means project name. Artifact ID means project name. Click on finish. Click on finish. Click on finish. Okay. Now, are you able to see the project I created? Are you able to see I got a project created?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now make a note. Make a note. Wait until, make a note. Wait until you get MJ. MJ stands for Maven Java project. Wait until you get MJ. MJ stands for Maven Java project. Wait until you get MJ. MJ stands for Maven Java project. Wait until you get MJ. MJ stands for Maven Java project. Expand. You'll get the project structure. Understood how to create a Maven project? How to create a structure is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody create. Everybody start creating. People who joined now. People who joined now. Look at the screen. Make a note. Steps to create a Maven project. Steps to create a Maven project. Step number 1, click on file. Click on Ninada. Are you there? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Click on file. New. New. Project. File. New. Project. Expand Maven folder. Expand Maven folder. Click on Maven project. Click on Maven project. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Select the checkbox. Create a simple project. Select the checkbox. Create simple project. Click on next. Specify the group ID. Group ID means company name. One company name you give. Company name. Artifact ID means project name. Give the project name. And click on finish. Understood? Do this faster. Finished?
Done, ma'am.
Others?
Done,
What
ma'am.
about others?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Wait. Let others also do. Understand and do. Slowly we will do. Understand and do it. Completed? Can I go to the next step, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
ma'am.
Can I go to the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make a heading. Steps to add the dependency to the project. Make a heading. Steps to add the dependency to the project. Steps to add dependency to the project. Step number 1. Look at my screen. Click on pom.xml file. Click on pom.xml file. Click on pom.xml file. Click on
Ma'am, today they asked me this, ma'am, how you create dependency.
make a note. Click on pom.xml file. Click on pom.xml file. Make a note.
Ma'am, what's the heading? Steps to create?
Listen. Hey, listen, men. Don't ask. Listen. I'm repeating twice. Click on pom.xml file. Click on pom.xml file. POM means project object model. It is not page object model. It is project object model. It is project object model. Project object model. Extension is extensible markup language. XML stands for extensible markup language. POM means it is project object model. Don't think it is page object model. It is project object model. Extension is extensible markup language. Click on it. Click on pom.xml file. Click on pom.xml file. Done? Understood? Understood
Yes,
till
ma'am.
here? Make
Yes,
a
ma'am.
note. Steps to add the dependency to the project. Make a heading. Steps to add the dependency to the project. 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 Step number 1. Open the browser. Open the browser. Step number 1. Open the browser. Open the browser. Open the browser. Type Maven repository. Type Maven repository. Type Maven repository. And click on enter. And click on enter. Click on enter. Click on the first link. Maven repository, search, browse. Okay, click on the first link. 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 Okay, after that. Okay. Now let us make a note of softwares required, guys. Let it be till there you have written. Now lift some 10 lines of the code, lift some 10 lines of the code and just write. Softwares required. Lift some 10 lines of the code and you write a note. Softwares required. Okay, I forgot to give you this. Just write this. We wanted what? Selenium server. We wanted what? TestNG. We wanted Apache Commons.io. Next, we wanted Apache POI. Okay, that's all. Okay, and for driver executables, we have web driver manager. We have web driver manager for driver executables. Okay, we have web driver manager for driver executables. Copy this. Copy this. We have web driver manager for driver executables. This is for your driver. This is for your driver executables. Finish writing. Softwares required.
And what is third one? Finished one.
Finish writing. Okay. Now go back. Go back. Go back. Okay. Now type Selenium server. Type Selenium server in the search text box. Continue. Type Selenium server in the search text box. Type Selenium server in the search text box. Click on search. Click on search. Type Selenium server on the search box. Click on search. Click on Selenium server. Click on Selenium server. Click on Selenium server. Click on 3.141.59. Click on 3.141.59. Copy the dependency. Copy the dependency. Now, everybody open the Excel. Everybody open the pom.xml file. Everybody open the pom.xml file and write dependencies. Write dependencies after line number 7. Okay. After that, see, look here. Look at my screen and make it. After line number 5. Okay. Write this dependency. After the dependencies, there should be a project. Write this. Everybody write this. Everybody write this. Everybody written. Open your this one written. Have you written this?
No, ma'am.
Paste.
Dependency. We need
Write
to write
this.
the.
How long will it take to write one word? How long will it take you to write to one word? Open your pom.xml file. Write it. Finish writing. Now paste this between dependencies tag. Paste it between dependencies tag. Understood? Everybody follow this. Everybody do this. Everybody had a Selenium server dependency to the project. Do this, everyone. Finish adding? Finished adding.
No,
Ping
ma'am.
me once
No,
you've
ma'am.
added. Okay,
Finished.
add it fast.
There, ma'am, for group ID.
Huh?
I added that in the dependencies, but it shows error group ID.
Look at the structure. Look at my screen. How I've written. Look at it.
No, ma'am.
Finished, everyone? Completed? Can we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, guys. Give me a minute.
ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
Who is
It
that?
is not mute.
Okay. Fine. Next, let's continue. Let's make a note. Steps to add a dependency to the test-ng. Steps to add a dependency for test-ng. Make a note. Step number 1. Step number 1. Open Maven repository. Make heading steps to add test-ng dependency. Open Maven repository. Type test-ng. Type test-ng. Click on search. Type test-ng. Click on search. Type test-ng. Click on search. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Select the version 7.1.0. Select the version 7.1.0. Select the version 7.1.0. Copy the dependency. Copy the dependency and paste it. Copy the entire dependency and paste it. Copy the entire dependency and paste it. Do this at test-ng dependency quickly. Finished adding? Finished adding test ng dependency?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a note. Steps to add. Make a note. Steps to add. Steps to add Apache Commons.io. Steps to add Apache Commons.io. Open Maven repository. Open Maven repository. Type Apache Commons.io. Open Maven repository. Type Apache Commons.io and click on search. Click on search. Type Apache Commons.io and click on search. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Select the version 2.6. Now you can ask me a question. How are you selecting? I'm selecting the version depending on the usage. Look here. See the usage. Whose count is more, I'm taking. Select the version 2.6. Select the version 2.6. Select the version 2.6. Copy the dependency and paste it. Copy the dependency and paste it. Everybody add Apache IO. Do this.
Ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, make heading. Steps to add. Steps to add WebDriver Manager. 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 This jar is used to. This jar is used for. This jar is used for. This jar is used for driver executables. This jar is used for driver executables. Open Maven repository. Open Maven repository and type WebDriver Manager. Open Maven repository, type WebDriver Manager and click on search. Type WebDriver Manager and click on search. Type WebDriver Manager and click on search. Okay, so it's a one word. Look at my screen, neatly you write. It's one word. Don't give spaces, don't write capital letter, small letter, all these things. So this is a cat symbol you'll get. Click on this WebDriver Manager. Click on WebDriver Manager. Select the version 4.4.3. Click on WebDriver Manager. Click on WebDriver Manager. Select the version 4.4.3. Select the version 4.4.3. Copy the dependency, paste it. Everybody had this. Everybody add this. Don't give any spaces, capital, it's one word. Type it and search it. Finish adding. Finish
Yes, ma'am.
adding.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Make a note. Steps to add. Steps to add. Apache Poi. Steps to add Apache Poi. Steps to add Apache Poi. P-O-I. Steps to add Apache Poi. Open the Maven repository. Type Apache POI. Type open Maven repository. Type Apache POI. You people told me, right? We have problem with Excel. Do in Maven project. Your program will run. Okay. Type Apache POI and click on search. Type Apache POI and click on search. Select this. You should select this. Look at my screen. You should select this. Apache Poi. Click on this Apache Poi. Click on that link. Select the version 4.1.2. Select the version 4.1.2. Select the version 4.1.2. Copy that. Copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it. Okay, add it, everyone. Apache Poi. People Excel issue. You create one Maven project, execute your program, it will execute. Add this, everyone.
4.1.2, ma'am.
4.1.2. Finished? Added? Dependencies been added?
Finished, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at my screen. Once you had all the dependency, save it. Control yes. When you save this, everybody should get this Maven dependency. Save it. Control yes. Everybody should get this Maven dependency. Save it. You should get Maven dependency. Save it, everyone. Did you all get this Maven dependency?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got?
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody look at my screen. What is the use of adding this? What is the use of adding this? Now look at here, guys. Now, what is the version of TestNG I'm using? 7.1. See, expand this Maven dependency. Automatically it has been added. It automatically it has downloaded. It is added to the build path. You're not downloading. It is only automatically downloaded, added to the build path. Now look here. What is the version it is added to build path? Are you able to see? 7.1.0. Okay. Now latest version came into picture. So you people don't need to go to TestNG, download it, install. Very simple. A latest version came. Come here, change it. 7.4.0. Save it. That's all. Change the version here, save it. Is it downloaded 7.4.0? Is it added to the build path? Is it downloaded 7.0.0 added to the build path?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. So any latest version comes into picture. So don't need to go download. Here only you can change this. Here only you can change this, update it. That's the advantage. Second advantage, any new test engineer comes to this one. Just give them pom.xml file. Just give them it. Take this file. If you give them, they can attach to their project and they can start working. They can start working. Are you understanding? What's the advantage of Maven dependency? So whatever project gets updated, any version, you don't need to go download, add it to build path. Just change the version here. Just change the version, save it. Automatically it will get downloaded, added to the build path. Are you understanding?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody's completed till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody's completed
Yes,
till
ma'am.
here. Okay.
Yes,
Make a
ma'am.
note. Steps to add. Make a note. Steps to add property file to the project. Make a note. Steps to add property file to the project. Steps to add property file to the project. Make a note. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. New file. Right click on the project. New. Click on file. New. Click on file. Name it as data.properties. Name it as data.properties. Click on finish. Name it as data.properties. Click on finish. Everybody create a property file. Done? Added? Then added
Yes,
property
ma'am.
file, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Make a note. Steps to add photo path. Steps to make a note. Steps to create a photo folder. Steps to create a photo folder. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. Right click on the project. New. Select the folder. Write the name as photo and click on finish. Right click on the project. New. Click on folder. Write the name as photo. Click on finish. Create a photo. Created, created, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's all. This completes your project structure. This completes your project structure. Easy? Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? That's all. Let's start designing from tomorrow's class. Designing, implementation, execution from tomorrow's class. Okay. And one more announcement to be made. Everybody listen. Experienced candidates. Today we had a drive. There's one more drive which is on 13th of this month. That is day after tomorrow. 13th of this month. Okay, who wanted to attend a drive on this 13th of December? You somebody were asking me, right? Somebody were asking, ma'am, we didn't attend, we didn't know. Today there was one interview happened. So there will be one more interview which will be happening on Saturday. So if you guys are prepared, you guys can attend the interview. You guys can attend the interview on the Saturday. People who are interested, ping me your names. Along with that, there is a meeting at 6:30 now, 6:30 p.m. now. I'll share the link in the group. You can join. Understood? Experienced people. Understood?
Ma'am, is it the same company which
Yes, same.
Okay.
Okay, same. People who have attended an interview, don't attend again. If you get rejected, then you can try it once again. People didn't attend, not even once. You guys can share me your details and you can join the link. Okay? Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shweta Das. Shweta, are you free on weekend for 2 hours,
ma'am.
1 hour or 2 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Shweta, can you ping me your phone number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There are two candidates. Okay, two people. One girl name is Shweta, and one more person texted me, Sharin. Correct? Sharin, am I right? That is you only, right? Yeah. There is two girls, Shweta. One is Shweta Das. Sorry, one is Shweta, and one more is Sharin. Okay, they missed test NG for day one. I thought test NG. Okay, they know parallel execution assertion. Day one, what is priority invocation count, parallel execution? Can you just tell them? Can you explain this when you are free within this week, within Monday?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
explain this?
Yes, ma'am. I can explain.
You people see whichever comfortable time you, but explain them by Saturday. By Monday, they should be knowing these concepts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shweta, if you ping your number, ping me here in the chat. I can share it with Sharin and Shweta, so they will talk to you. Such that
Ma'am,
they would be.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
shared.
Okay. 1 minute.